Let's make a 3D habitat triorama. Start with a full sheet of cardstock. Fold one corner diagonally so it meets the opposite edge, then trim off the extra. Now you have a square. Fold and crease evenly to divide into 4 sections. The top 2 triangles will be your background and the bottom 2 triangles will be your foreground. Cut the middle crease of the bottom 2 triangles. Draw your habitat, which is the home or environment where plants and animals live and grow. Take the 2 triangles created by the cut and overlap them so they form a 3-sided pyramid shape. Glue the overlapping section to hold the shape. Draw, cut, and glue animals or plants to your foreground to create depth and perspective. Parents and teachers, subscribe to Crayola Learning's YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more colorful, creative ideas. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today. Stay colorful with creativity tips.